have you ever heard that word where they say wigs are lifesavers? Like, have you ever felt it? Now let me tell you why you've not felt it. Because you always think that you need to break the bank to get all the wig equipment for you to start using and rocking your wigs and flexing your wigs. I mean, that's so not true. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you tips and tricks that your stylist will never tell you. And when you're done watching, you come back and thank me.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Mata Ogo and I film about faith, beauty, relationship and lifestyle. Long time no beauty video, guys. I know you missed that part, right? You know, for a minute I almost forgot that my channel was also focused on beauty. For a second I forgot that, but now I know you missed it, so I'm back with a full dose. Kindly bear with me that my face is not looking the beauty part, but yeah, I know you're gonna love all this and you're going to keep watching, okay? So stay tuned. Okay. So do you know that using just hot water and your leave-in conditioner, you could literally revive your old braided wig? This video is going to be as practical as possible, so you see all the things I'm explaining here. So it's not like I'm just speaking in strange tongues. So for the first tip, here is how it's done. So this is my old braided wig. It's been a long time since I used it and I just brought it out from my bag. And I'm going to be using my conditioner. It's a shampoo conditioner. I'm going to be dipping it in, putting it in a boiling hot water and then stirring it like so. And I'm going to be putting my wig, the old wig, into the hot water and conditioner mix. So I'll leave it for some time and then I'll bring it out from the water like so. So I keep dipping it in and out until I got the straight texture I needed. Just the way you know when you're done preparing your hair, you put it in hot water to make it more straight. That's basically the whole idea of this. But the shampoo and conditioner is just to make it, to cleanse it and also make it smell better and feel softer. So yeah, this is all I did. So I'm drying it out I'm taking the water off now, and this is the way it's looking after this process, guys. So straight, so clean, and I don't know what else you'd ask for. I don't know, I just don't know. So I'm wearing it on this mannequin now to use a wide tooth comb to just brush through it and straighten every strand of this hair, of this wig rather. So this is the before and now this is the after. What do you think? I mean, what other transformation do you need on your wig, for crying out loud, guys? This is a wonderful and beautiful transformation. So what do you think about this hack? This second tip is going to be a lifesaver for my friends and loved ones without a stretcher. I mean, who said you must have a stretcher to rock your wig in a sleek manner? Who said so? Who said that? Who said it? Come close and tell me. You don't need it, okay? I'm not saying it's not necessary, but in the meantime, before you even get one, there's so many tips and hacks you can use in making your your closure or frontal just sleeping and just stay so flat, just the way this one is looking, right? So if you don't have a stretcher, do you know you can use a flat iron, a pressing iron? I mean a literal pressing iron. I'm going to show you how it's done in the next clip. So to be honest, I really don't have any wig in such distress. All of my wigs, I mean, before I even start rocking it, I normally lay it very flat after plucking it. So I'm just gonna use this one to just show you what I mean, not necessarily making it flat, but there are some wigs that actually come very full at that point, at the parting, the point of parting. So this is one good hack you could use for your wigs if this is how, or if you have such problem with your wig, right? So I just comb it flat like so, and then I use my iron and straighten it. So if you're someone who is really scared of putting the iron straight directly in your hair, this is another way of doing it. You just lay your wig flat and then straighten it with the iron. Just like so. I'm going to be turning it now so you can see the difference. So can you see the difference? Can you just see the difference? So guys, talking about the stretcher hack, I just thought about, what about those that want their curls full, you know, like this kind of hair, you want to maintain the curls on your wigs, and you don't want to go to the salon or go to your stylist so she doesn't cut your neck and everything. I mean, you can do this by yourself at home. Who said you cannot do it? Here is how it's done. With just your Brazilian roll. Is it roll or coil? Coiler. I don't know, but I'm sure you know what this is, guys. I'm sure you know what it is. All you need to do is just pick a strand of hair and roll it like this, and you roll it the direction you want your coils to stay. And I mean, that's it. Just leave it for a day, 24 hours, and you're good to go. For a lasting hold, I mean, just use your conditioner with water. Just use a little water and just spray on it while rolling, and you have a beautiful, beautiful finish. Thank me later. So to my fourth hack, do you know that you can revive your old coily wigs with just water mixed with conditioner? I mean, you know all those detangler that they sell in bottle, they'll just be selling you, come and buy detangler 1.5, come and buy detangler what my sister. It's something you can just do by yourself at home, and it works like magic. Okay, just get your leave-in conditioner and get a spray bottle, add water and just dilute, or add your conditioner and just dilute with water as thick as you want it to be. But I'll advise you leave it in a watery consistency, so it's easier, it can easily penetrate your hair, right? So you don't need to go get a detangler or get plenty equipment to, you know, get your coils back to life. So in the next clip, I'm going to be showing you how I revive my old curly wig with this hack. So using my empty spray bottle, guys, this bottle has stayed for the longest time, and then my conditioner, I'm pouring it into my spray bottle like so. After that, I just add water to dilute it, and then I just shake and mix it. That's it, guys. So this is my old curly wig, guys. I almost threw this wig away, but when I just remembered this hack, I brought it back. In fact, I'm trying to revive it now, so I'm going in with this spray. And if you notice, I'm not using a comb through it. I'll just use my hand, my fingers rather. I'm using my fingers to walk it through the hair until it becomes very soft enough for a comb to pass through. So I'm just walking it through with my hand. Any place that gets soft enough, I use my hand to just detangle it. Using a comb at this point will probably just spoil your wig. So just keep going with your hands. Guys, your hand is the fastest detangler, trust me. So I spray, I detangle with my hand, my finger, sorry. I spray, I detangle with my finger, like that. That's how I kept going and going. I used up almost half of that, the content of the bottle. So at this point, it had gotten soft enough for me to go in with my comb. Like it had absorbed enough of the conditioner and water. So I'm using this white tooth comb to just brush through it and just arrange any hair that is not in place. So this my spray gel is not really necessary, but I just wanted to make my pattern very shiny and clear, so I just used it. So this is the before and after. So what do you think about this hack? Guys, I love it. Like, this is beautiful. In fact, ignore the pattern. Guys, this was the first wig I used in trying my plucking skills. This was the first wig I ever used in plucking, and guys, you can tell that it was a beginner that plucked this hair. It's been a long time though, but I mean, this hair is still very much alive after this process. So what do you think? I even rocked it to work that way. Omo, I was feeling myself on this wig. Guys, take a look. I mean, so it's my last and most important hack. Have you ever wondered how it's possible for you not to, use the got-to-be glue on your frontals, leaving your frontal on your head for like a full week because you don't want the gum to remove? Have you ever wondered a better option out of this? So first off, let me tell you that using got-to-be glue on your hair frequently affect your edges, whether you accept it or you don't accept it. In fact, I have got to be glue, I have got to be spray, but over time I noticed that it's really not the best because I love to remove my wig every day when I get back from wherever I'm going to. I love to just come back and just pull out my wig, and meanwhile this is the frontal, guys, and I can literally pull it out and wear it the next minute in less than 3 minutes and I'm good to go, right? And let me tell you why this is possible. You need to always finish up your wig preparation before you start rocking it. The first thing, of course, is definitely plucking your frontal or your closure. It gives it this less hair activity, more like a natural hair finish to it, so it's easily relaxed or stays flat on your hair, right? If you get your wig or your frontal or your closure and it's so filled with so much hair, it's advisable for you to reduce the hair. In terms, reducing the hair means plucking the frontal or closure, right? So it's easier for you to lay your edges, right, when you want to step out. So you don't need to use your got-to-be glue and just spray it on the hair for a week or so. I feel that's very stressful and straining for me. I don't know about you. I don't really like that. I'm the kind of person that when I get back wherever I'm going to, wherever I've gone to, I want to come back and have a good time on my bed without anything touching my body, including my wig. Nothing should be left. So when I'm pulling out everything, I'm pulling out literally everything. And so one definitely good way to do it is to pluck your frontal or your closure so it looks more natural or hair-like. And this is literally what I use every morning to lay my edges. So when I start plucking it, I just take up a little front baby hair, and I just lay it with this basic gel. It's so basic. You can even use a black gel to do it, or a transparent gel, and it's going to stay, I promise you. That's it, guys. I mean, you don't need to use your got-to-be and ruin your edges. Ruin your edges. Did that ring a bell? Well, that's all I've got to say, and I'm sure that you learned one or two. So let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. I'd love to know what your thoughts are concerning videos like this. And if you love to see me demonstrate how to pluck your frontal or closure, let me know also in the comment section. It's something you can do by yourself, trust me. Of course, with direction, not misguided. So thanks for watching. If this is your first time, don't forget to subscribe before leaving this channel. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay beautiful and blessed. Bye guys.